Hey, this is Sam again. It is still February 22, and this is a double deep nuc that we have here, and they're sure to be doing pretty good. They have a little opening in the bottom, and they got the circular open, which they're using both of them. Okay, well, let's get back up here. A little bit more. There we go. And this one, last time we saw them was on February the 10th. Queen has brood. Oop, didn't see a queen. Has eggs, brood, stores. Gave them food. And they didn't eat it all. Bees are hungry this time of the year, people. If you don't feed them, you could lose a hive from starvation. Because they're starting to brood up. They need a lot of food for that. Cold nights, they need a lot of food for that. And it's just, I don't know, you know, maybe where you're at, you still got a lot of food somewhere. But my bees don't have it. Very little bloom. We got some little yellow flowers on the ground around here. We have other things, I'm sure. But they're bringing in pollen. I just want to make sure they got enough. Do I have my veil down? Yep, okay. This one has, whoop, the white queen right there. Right here. Let's see what she's doing on there. There is pollen, nectar on that one. Oh, that's what she's here for. She got eggs and brood and larvae there. Yep, she's still here. She's looking for a place to lay. Okay, this one is laid up with eggs and brood and worker bees. There's pollen here, honey band here, goes down here, pollen over there because they want to keep their food close to their babies. And this is all laid up with bees. Same thing with that side. All this is hatched out already, and there's little eggs in there, and we got honey across here, we got pollen here, pollen here. Same thing on both sides. All laid up too. Both sides, same thing. Pollen here, we have a little band of honey across here, we have pollen just like the other one. All laid up, and eggs and larvae in here. And that's why this queen was looking for something else to lay in. Thing. What I might do is just take the queen, put her on the bottom. It's one of her frames. This one, same thing as the others, people. got some drone brood right here. This is worker, this is pollen, honey band, worker, eggs, eggs. Okay, this is the last frame. It just has honey, pollen, nectar, no eggs. Now let's see what we're going to have here on the bottom. Okay, there's the frame, nothing in it. I mean, it's got a little honey, but over there has a little bit of honey in it. They got, y'all can't see. Here I come. Yeah, y'all can see. Okay. There's a little honey over here. This is all drone brood over here that they're probably going to get honey or in. Okay. This one has honey. We have honey here. We have pollen kind of scattered out. You can see little girls bringing in the pollen. Got them on their legs. Got them on their legs. This one got a little honey up there. Little honey in there. So I think what we're going to do that there. Take that there. Take the queen. Lordy. Give my girl some pollen. more air in there. I use this kind of piling here instead of the one that's in a little pad that's got paper on it. I buy this in the buckets. Just enough to fill up a 5-gallon bucket. Okay. And to me it's easier. You ever try to cut that piling patty? To me it's just aggravating. It's not hard, it's not difficult, it's just aggravating. And I don't put a whole slab in mine because if you do, it could cause the beetles to come. Now I may have to go get some more groceries for these two. But anyway, this is hive number 306. Y'all have a great day. Give us a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I'm probably gonna put both of these in at the same time. That's the one that we just did, and that's the one that we did first. Y'all have a wonderful day. Little girl over there raining, Paul trying to get through that hole. Y'all have a great day. Bye.